How to change Google password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about changing your Google password. So go ahead and open your Chrome browser or any browser that you prefer, and then go to myaccount.google.com and then sign into your Google account if not already signed in. Now in the left menu, click on security, that is between data and privacy and people and sharing. Now scroll down and go to Password Manager and then tap on Manage Passwords. Click on Change Passwords. Now once you're in this page, scroll down and there you will see the option of password, which is between passkeys and security keys, and skip password when possible. Tap on it. You need to verify that it's your account. And once you're logged in, this will take you to this kind of page. You can simply go ahead and enter your new password in this box and retype and confirm the new password that you just typed over here. So make sure that you use at least 8 characters and don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name, your birth date, or anything that can be assumed easily. And also don't reuse passwords again and again. So go ahead and enter your new password and then tap on change password, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can change your Google password. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.